Hello and welcome. In this short video, we're going to show how to block devices based on logical or physical state. Now you may ask why you want to do this. This can be used to prevent access to something unless it's in a certain condition, to protect information, or to enhance the privacy of a system. This option is available on all SPC keypads and also on the SPC 110 and 120 devices. We will now see a brief demonstration of this functionality. On any keypad that can be deactivated, once it is deactivated, it will signal on the screen and all buttons will be disabled. When the keypad is enabled, the message will disappear and the user will be able to enter their code and perform operations like normal. On indication and key switch devices, once the device is disabled, all indications and function keys become inoperable. When enabled, all operations re-enable again. So how to configure this? We use the cause and effect system. We access full engineer mode on the system and select advanced. We select triggers and activate a trigger. We add a condition to the trigger. And we want to use when the system is full set, and you can use any trigger condition you want to determine your logic. We're simply using this for this example. So when area 1 is full set, our trigger will become active. We then assign this a mapping gate of when to turn on and when to turn off. We give the mapping gate a name for easy identification, and now we assign our trigger. We decide we want it to turn on when the trigger becomes on and simply turn off when our trigger turns off, so it follows exactly. Our cause and effect configuration is now complete, and we can now move on to assign this logic to block devices on the system. We first select the hardware we wish to configure. We can choose any keypad. And in the deactivation menu, we select the mapping gate. It's important to note we can also use a calendar or a key switch to disable this keypad. To disable a key switch or indication device, the logic is almost identical. We scroll down to the deactivation menu and select our mapping gate. And finally, for the key switch device, we again select the deactivation mapping gate. This completes the configuration of the entire deactivation of devices using cause and effect. Again, just to recap on what we've achieved here, we can enhance the protection of the system by hiding its status and using a dual system in order to gain access to keypads. And we can also enhance the privacy of the system, hiding the state of any element of the system until either a code is entered or certain states are met. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.